Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive right into how to use Airtable to manage your reading list. First up, create a new base in Airtable. Click on the plus sign and select Start from Scratch. This gives us a clean slate to build our reading list. Now, rename your base as Reading List. To do this, click on Untitled Base and type your new name. The reason we do this is to keep our workspace organized and easily identifiable. Next up, create your columns. You'll need a few basic ones like book title, author, genre, read status, and notes. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility. You can add more columns as per your need, such as publication year, rating, or source. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our reading list to our specific needs and preferences. Now that we've done that, it's time to populate your list. Click on the plus on the first empty row and start adding your books. Let me explain why this matters. By adding your books to Airtable, you can easily track what you've read, what you want to read, and your thoughts on each book. Finally, explore and utilize the Views feature. You can create different views like books to read, books read, and favorite books. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Using Views, Airtable filters your list based on the criteria you set, making it easier to manage and navigate your reading list. And there you have it, a quick guide on using Airtable to manage your reading list. Remember, the key is to make it work for you, so feel free to play around with it and make it your own. Until next time, happy reading.